How to stop sound transmission between rooms using ThunderTile acoustic panels. Excessive sound transmission from one room to another is a common problem that occurs in offices and other multi-room facilities. This can be of particular importance in boardrooms, schools, legal and medical offices where privacy and confidentiality are paramount. The airspace above a drop-down ceiling, known as the plenum, can be a key factor in allowing sound to pass between rooms where the walls do not extend above the ceiling grid. Sound can easily pass through this gap, and typical builder-grade ceiling panels do not have the mass required to effectively stop sound. Therefore, your conversation in one room can be clearly heard the next office over. The Primacoustic ThunderTile is a unique product designed to acoustically treat any space while also helping to block sound transmission between rooms. ThunderTiles consist of two main components: a high-density glass wool face that absorbs sound to improve the acoustics within your room, and a layer of gypsum board to stop sound from escaping the room. Once installed, ThunderTiles will absorb sound and reduce reflections within the room, while also preventing noise from passing through into the plenum, ensuring your conversations remain confidential. Installation in standard T-bar ceiling grids is quick and easy, allowing you to effectively block sound transmission without the need for expensive and time-consuming construction techniques. Two styles of edge treatments are available with ThunderTile. Trim edge panels mount flush against the ceiling grid, while reveal edge panels drop down slightly for a more stylized look that helps hide the ceiling grid. ThunderTiles feature an absolute white finish that looks great in any room, and they can also be painted to match your room decor. Fully tested to meet stringent fire and burn requirements, ThunderTiles are Class A rated for safe use everywhere. To receive a free quote on an acoustic treatment plan for your room, please visit our website at www.primacoustic.com. Primacoustic, acoustic solutions for a noisy world.